Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to let you know about array. So how we can declare the array and how we can store the data into array. So I have opened a new Excel. Okay. So in this Excel, I have to save this Excel into macro file. So you have to go to save as option. Then you have to go to macro enable workbook. Then you can save any types of macro. So you need to write here any name you can put down. So here I'm writing VBA, then okay. So this Excel will be saved into XLSM format. So I have saved it. Now what I have to do here, I need to go to developer tab, go to Visual Basic, then you have to go to insert menu, go to a module. I have taken a module. So if you want to change the module name, then you have to go to properties windows. And here your module name is module 1. So I have to change the project array example. Array example means no need to take a space here. Okay, without a space you have to take the module name. Enter, then module name is there. So how we can check the module name is changed or not? So you have to go to Project Explorer. See here, so the module name is array example. Double click here, then you will move on code window. So this is the module. Okay, where I will write down the code for array. So let's see. Here I'm just telling you how we can take any data into array and same data I will paste into another. Okay. So first I'm going to take a data set. So I'm just making a copy of the data. So I will take the those data. So, so this data I'm copying, pasting into new Excel. Okay. Now closing this Excel. Yeah. So now what I have to do, here you need to go to Visual Basic, then you have to write down the code here. So you need to write here stuff, array example. Okay. Here I will let you know how we can declare the array in different ways. So here I'm writing the array 10. Here I'm taking name of the array. Name of the array is int. If you write as string, so this is not a array. This is not an array. This is a variable. But whenever you will put down the bracket and you write here 3, so this is the array. Okay. How this array will work? You have 3 elements of the array, 4 elements of the array, not 3. How? So you need to store in 0. So array will start from 0, then int 1, int 2, int 3. Okay. So here I want to store the value from the cell reference. So I will take here range bracket start. You have to take reference of range, not range, B2. I have stored the value into int 0 from B2. Okay. So next I'm taking here int 1 equal to, you have to take reference of B3. So B3, then I will take here int 2 equal to range B4. One more elements I have for array, so which is a int. Here I will write 3. equal to, you need to take your range B5. Okay. So after that, after storing the data from B column to array, you have to place this array data into your different sheet. Suppose I want to take array data into sheet 2. So how we can take it? But make sure you have to activate the sheet from where you are taking, where you are storing the data into array. So you need to write the sheet. So I'm storing data from sheet 1. So I'm taking here sheet 1 reference dot select. Now, so you have to store the data into sheet 2. So you have to activate your sheet 2 dot select. You can write here activate also. Activate and select will work similarly. Activate. Activate, not activate. You need to write here. Okay. Then you have to take reference of range where you need to store the array value. So I need to store the array value in range C2. You have to store the value equal to which value you need to store? Int 0 value. Int 0 is the first element of the array. Okay. Then you have to take a range C3. You need to store the int 1 element. Okay. Range. You need to take here 4 equal to. You have to take here int 2. Then you have to take here range C5. You have to store the value of last element. Last element is int 3. So this is the last element. How we can say this is the last element? Because here I have written 3. So your last element is int. Okay. So your starting element is from 0. Last element is 3. So whatever things I have written here, whatever numbers I have written here, that is the last element. Okay. So now let's see how we can place our value. So I have activated the sequence. Now storing the data, I have stored the data into array. You can place your pointer here, over your pointer here, you will get a element of the value. So now if I put here into Arjun is here, then in 3 Ashok is here. Now I'm activating C2, now placing the array value into C2, C3, C4, C5. Start. But here, one thing I want to let you know, here I have declared the array in this way. So your array is starting from 0. If you declare the array from 1, 2, 3, then your array will start from 1, not from 2. Okay? If you are declaring the array in this way, by default, your element will start from 0. But if you are declaring the array in this way, 1, 2, 3, you are defining here a start point of the array and end point of the array. So your start point of the array will be this. Okay. So if you execute this code, you will get an error. You can see here. So you can see here, you are getting error. Why I am getting error? Because int 0 element is not in your array. Okay. So that's why I am getting error. So how we can overcome this? So if you want to declare the array in this way, but you want to start the array element from 1, so you will have to write here option base 1. So option base 1 let you know your array element will start from 1 if you are declaring the array in this way. Okay. So now you will get an error in this code. You can see here because you don't have 0 element. Int 0 element is not there. So what you have to do? You need to remove this element and you have to remove this element. You don't have any data into this int 0 element. Okay, now it will work perfectly fine. So generally this question is asked in interview. So what is the use of option base? So you have to respond. Option base is used to start the array element. Okay, so if you want to start the array element from 1, then you have to mention option base 1. Okay, if you don't want to start your element from 1, then you can mention directly. No need to write option base 1. Okay, you can directly mention the array in this way. You can declare the array in this way. Okay, then by default your array element will start from. Okay, so that's all for this videos. Okay, so I'm a trainer of data analytics, data science, and MIS. If you want to make your career in analytics, data science, and MIS, then you can come to me. I will give you excellent knowledge of all the tools which is related to MIS, data analytics, and data science, and I will provide you job supports also. If you are very good in my learning, then definitely you will get a job. It's my guarantee. But if you are not good in learning, I cannot provide you job. If you are a hardworking person, a smart worker is not allowed because your smart work will not work here. Okay, so you will have to do hard work. Hardworking person can get success. It's my guarantee. Thank you so much.